In the dynamic landscape of e-commerce, understanding your website's performance is essential to making informed decisions that drive growth and enhance user experience. This is where Google Analytics comes into play. By setting up Google Analytics for your online store, you'll gain the ability to track and analyze data that can influence your marketing strategies, website design, and overall business success. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up Google Analytics for your online store. Whether you're new to the world of analytics or seeking a refresher, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. But before that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any of our videos. Create a Google Analytics account. If you don't have a Google Analytics account, go to the Google Analytics website, analytics.google.com, and sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Create a new property. Once you're logged in, click on the Admin tab in the lower left corner. In the Property column, click on the drop-down menu and select Create Property. Enter your website's name, URL, industry category, and time zone. Choose Web as the type of property. Configure tracking settings. After creating the property, you'll be given a tracking ID in this unique code format. This ID is what you'll use to link your website to Google Analytics. Implement tracking code. Copy the tracking ID provided by Google Analytics. Paste the tracking code into the HTML of your website. Place it just before the closing tag on every page you want to track. If you're using a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, you can often add the code through a plugin or theme settings. Verify tracking code. After adding the tracking code, wait for a little while, usually a few hours, to allow Google Analytics to start collecting data. Return to the Google Analytics dashboard and go to the real-time section to see if your website is being tracked. Over time, you'll gather valuable insights that can guide your marketing efforts, content strategies, and overall business decisions. If you want to know more about e-commerce tips and tutorials, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of our videos.